Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I would like to talk to you about the concept of natural self, which refers to the innate or inherent characteristics, traits, and tendencies that individuals possess and which are shaped by biological factors such as genetic, brain development, and evolutionary history. The natural self can be either positive or negative, depending on the individual's inherent qualities and tendencies. It is inherited, which means that we are born with it, and it is deterministic, meaning that it shapes our behavior to a large extent. The natural self is cardinal, meaning that it is a central and defining aspects of our personality. It is dominant, which means that it can override environmental factors to influence our behavior. The natural self is fixed and persistent, and it can be challenging to defreeze or change. The biological variables that shapes our natural self include genetics, brain development, and evolutionary history. Our DNA determines our physical characteristics, temperament, and predisposition to certain behavior and health conditions. The way our brains develop influences our cognitive abilities, emotional regulation, and behavior patterns. The evolutionary history of our species has shaped our biological makeup, such as our fight or flight response and our needs to social connection. The qualities of natural self can include temperament, intelligence, and emotion. Our inherent disposition or general style of reacting to situations, such as being introverted or extroverted, or whether we tend to be more anxious or calm. Our cognitive abilities, such as problem-solving skills, memory, and creativity, which are influenced by both genetics and environmental factors. Our emotional regulation, sensitivity, and expression, which can be influenced by both genetic and life experiences. Measuring nature self is important because it can help us understanding our natural strength and weaknesses, which can include our personal and professional development. It can also inform healthcare decisions, such as understanding our genetic predisposition to certain health conditions and guide intervention to support optimal functioning and well-being. While our natural self is fixed and persistent, it's essential to note that with awareness, effort, and targeted intervention, individuals can develop skills and strategies to compensate for their natural weakness and leverage their strengths. By understanding our natural self, we can develop a more profound appreciation for those who are become more self-aware and ultimately live a more fulfilling life. In conclusion, the natural self is an integral part of our personality that shapes our behavior, abilities, and emotion. While it can be challenging to change or defreeze, understanding and accepting our natural self can lead to personal growth, development, and well-being. Thank you for listening.